Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to make and colour a pinwheel. In order to make the pinwheel, you need an origami piece of paper, just like this one, a ruler or scissors, and that's basically all you need. Now we have everything, we can start. So, if you know about my channel, you be making a lot of crafts, and just to say that there is a origami hack video to show you how to make origami paper without actual origami paper, and there's also another video showing you about lanterns and how you make those lanterns. So an example is like this one, so that's a lantern. So if you want to check out those videos, you should go check that out at the end of this video. So let's carry on to the pinwheel. So the first thing we're going to do is get our origami paper. So this, obviously, you can do this in the hack video, so you should go check that out if you have not. So you can fold it in half, and then you fold it in half again. Just really easy. Okay. Right angle triangle. Okay, so now unfold every single thing. Like this, so diamond. And then fold in this point to the middle. This point to the middle. So I just accidentally ripped that. So just fold those into the middle. And yeah, so you got those two like that. Okay, make sure they are quite even. So now you're gonna turn it over like this, and you're going to take this side and take it to the middle point. So we're basically achieving a square look. So once you've done that, you have a square, okay? I'm going to take this side, the left top hand corner and the right bottom hand corner into the middle. So this one is going to go into the middle like this. Go in there. So it looks like that. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to turn it over. So you've got this. And then you get this bottom side to the middle. And then you get the top side to the middle. And you get another smaller square. Okay? Now you've done that, you're gonna. This is the very fun part, I think. You place the finger. You place your finger inside to pop out the corner, like this, and you pop it out. So that's the first pinwheel thing. So let's do this bottom side. So you take the bottom corner. Yeah, you pop out this bottom corner. Like this. The pinwheel side. Okay, and we're gonna do turn over. So only two sides first and turn over. And then pull out the back corners. So this one right here, it's not part of this triangle flap thing, so don't take anything out. If you take this out, then you'll see the flap in here. So just take this out. And then push down, so you have this pinwheel effect to it. This one, it's not this flappy. You take the flappy away, and then you find the things like the treasure inside. And then you push it up. And there you have it. Your very own little pinwheel. So, I hope that process was easy to watch, and now we're just going to get on to the colouring process. going to be using normal colouring pencils to start colouring. You can use whatever you want, like felt tips and crayons, but today I'm going to be using a fine liner and a colouring pencil.